how to turn on or turn off assistant menu on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility. From here, tap on interaction and dexterity. Then tap on assistant menu. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Once you turn on, this is the assistant menu. So a number of different functions available from this menu. So you can tap on the home button, open up the recent menu. You can go back. You can tap on it to turn the screen off. You can tap on it to change the volume. Here I can tap on volume, and here I can readjust the volume, and I can take a screenshot. Now you can go to the next page. Here you can open up notification panel, quick panel, pinch zoom, power off menu. So power off menu, and you can also use the screen control. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.